Creating an atomic wallet is a simple process that allows you to securely store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Follow these steps to create your wallet. Download the Atomic Wallet. Go to the Atomic Wallet website or search for Atomic Wallet in the App Store or Google Play Store. Download and install the app on your device. Launch the wallet. Open the app after installation. The first screen will prompt you to either create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Choose Create New Wallet. Write down your recovery phrase. You will be shown a 12-word recovery phrase. This is a crucial step for wallet security. Write it down offline on paper and store it in a safe place. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet. Set a strong password. Set a strong, unique password to secure your wallet. This will be used to access the wallet and confirm transactions. Complete wallet setup. After setting your password, you'll be directed to the main wallet interface. Here, you can start adding and managing your cryptocurrencies.